So as I mentioned my earlier comment, the technology was a major, my component for all these things to be a real successful in terms of, transactions. But
Yeah,
here also one thing what I've noticed, I just want to say technology. See, in India, we took this as an opportunity and a challenge,
yeah,
right? Now, see, I can literally say that, I would not have been successful if my partners, I'm talking about the vendors, right?
yeah.
Whether it is a Cisco, whether it is a Tata, whether it is an Airtel, if they also didn't contribute, they also come to the party. They were with us as a team. Like for me, Cisco or Tata or Airtel, they were there as in my additional hand. Like the moment I need to increase my bandwidth, they don't ask any questions, right? There is no POs or there is no approval. They will say, okay, we are doing it. You do your paperwork. So the technology, the partnership, along with the vendor,
Uh,
made
yeah,
our life much easier.
much
Like
easier.
I give you one example. Like, see, the one thought, when I discuss with all leaders, like, recently we are having security discussions and all, we are work from home, right? There is also another community which is also, hack from home. There are
Okay.
hackers which is doing, hacking
Yeah,
from home, right?
yeah,
And, when we talk about these things, the first question is what, how do you kind of, secure the identity part of it? We had this 10,000 people logging in. Nobody knows from where they are logging and, who is logging and all. So we had to have an MFA, multi-factor authentication,
yeah, yeah.
right? And this is also another great thing which has happened. And I'm give due credit to the vendor here. We could enable MFA for 10,000 users in 2 weeks time.
Okay.
I'm talking
Yeah,
about
that's great.
10,000 users back in India. And then
Yeah,
this is replicated to US around 30,000 users in 1 month time. US, we still struggle because,
yeah,
how US works, right?
yeah,
Right.
yeah,
So, but here, that was the technology impact, right? So that the way, especially this part of the world, we could show to the global clients, like they were also, lagging behind. They were talking about MFA. We were ready with MFA, right?
yeah,
They were talking about, they were asking me, okay, they were giving me little different use cases. They were asking me, okay, Sunil, there was a specific, how do you know posturing? We want to make sure that, if any client is connecting to our server, we want to make sure this particular software has to be installed,
yeah,
right? We did had that technology, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
the way we could add features, like, one above another, with definitely with the help of the vendors, that actually made our case much easier,
much easier. Okay,
right?
okay.
And one thing I got to know, like, see, we have a lot of technologies around. Like if you go and fish, everybody, each and every feature, you have got 10,000, 20,000 people there to sell you out.
Mm-hmm,
But
mm-hmm.
here you need to choose the technology,
Yeah, yeah,
right? So if you have a robust technology, we can keep on adding layer to it. But
sure.
if we do not have a proper technology, that is the time we find it little bit difficult to integrate, or to kind of scale out, or
Yeah,
yeah, enhance it.
yeah, true, true. Yeah.